Hi and welcome. Today I am reviewing the BaByLissPro CStyler flat iron. It has curved plates that help to make curls. I prefer using a flat iron to curl my hair because I find the curls last a lot longer than using a curling iron. BaByLiss flat irons, that brand, they have the Nano Titanium plates. I really love that line. I find that those plates also give your hair a much shinier and silkier look compared to other flat irons. So I have some other ones, but this one is different because of the curved plates. It's supposed to make it easier to curl your hair. Now, I typically get my hair done and I get it curled. When I do my hair myself, I have a very hard time doing my own hair, especially with a flat iron, especially making curls. So this is supposed to make it easier. Let's get started and let's see. I'm actually using an older version of Lanza's Heat Defense Spray. I'll link to the new version that's available on Amazon below. My initial thoughts is no, it doesn't seem to be much easier than using a flat iron. Let's continue. Here's the first piece. Yeah. I really can't even tell from what part I've done and what part I haven't done. It's kind of all looking the same. Okay, wow. We have a little bit of a nice curl kind of right here. Maybe it wasn't hot enough. At this point, I'm kind of just trying to use it as a straightener rather than curling too. I don't know. We'll see what happens. this is the final result. As you can see, my hair is not very curly. As far as it making it easier to curl your hair, no, the C-Style from BaByLiss does not make it easier to curl your hair. It's basically just for me, works just like a regular flat iron. If you're good with using a flat iron and making curls with a flat iron, I think it may actually make it easier for you. I don't know, because as you can tell, I'm not very good with doing my own hair and using a flat iron. But as far as the purpose of it being a flat iron, if you're going in with the intention of wanting to get a good flat iron, I would definitely think that is a good option. But as far as wanting it to make waves and curls, I don't think it's going to make it easier for you if you're not very good doing it with a regular flat iron. Overall though, it's a solid product. Is it worth the price? All of the BaByLiss products are in the higher price range, over $100. This one, I was fortunate enough to get it actually off of Walmart for $83 or $84. So for a BaByLiss, I think I did get a good deal. But as far as the results that I wanted, it doesn't give me the results that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna have to keep looking. Stay tuned for the next product. We'll see, one of these days we may find the perfect product. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye.